Hello and welcome to the course Introduction to Mechanobiology. So, what is mechanobiology? If you think of the term mechanobiology, it has mechano plus biology or mechanics in biology. So, in this course we will be focusing on how physical forces are relevant to functioning of cells both in physiological context as well as in disease contexts. So, through this course you will develop a perspective of biology where we aim to integrate concepts from physics, chemistry and engineering disciplines towards our understanding of biology. So, as part of this course we will begin by discussing about the different components of a cell which play a part in dictating the physical properties of the cell and also participate in either sensing the forces that are present in vivo or responding to the forces that cells are subjected to. For example, within the bloodstream cells are continuously under shear flow. Similarly, within the bone, cells within the bone are subjected to compressive forces. These forces are not only important for maintaining their function, but also they get perturbed when either the origin of the forces or the way the forces get transmitted get perturbed. This leads to diseases. If you think of tumors, you will see build-up of cells not only which proliferate and give rise to the tumor, but there is intense build-up of pressure in and around the tumor, and there is increased deposition and cross-linking of the matrix surrounding the tumor, causing it to stiffen, and that is how what is detected in mammography. Okay. So, you will realize that there is a direct relationship between physical properties of the cells and the extracellular matrix and the functioning of the cells within this context. So, overall we will introduce the different subcellular organelles of the cell which participate in either sensing or responding to forces, and what are its important consequences either in stem cell biology or in cancer biology. We will also discuss about some of the biophysical techniques which are important in characterizing or measuring the forces that cells apply or quantifying the mechanical properties of the cells themselves. Overall, this will allow you to develop a new perspective on biology and how mechanics, and help you to understand that mechanics is actually integrated into the biological processes that you otherwise think of only as soluble factors which participate in signaling. I hope you enjoy this course and we will have a great time together. Thank you.